Okay, so today we will do some practical session. Okay, we have already discussed individual problems. Now, I would like to demonstrate a few programs. As per your request, I can go. Otherwise, I will take some random programs from uh, random programs and do it in front of you. Okay. So for that purpose, today we will do program in say VS Code. We have already set up the environment for VS Code in our earlier classes. So this is your VS Code. Let me quickly add currents folder to it. So this is a folder and this is a sample file and
Screen share on.
screen share করিনি দেখো তো ঠিক আছে কিনা
হ্যাঁ,
ঠিক আছে okay. So where we are, okay, so we have add this folder in our VS Code. So we will do coding here. So it is a file to test whether VS Code is actually running with Python or not. So I'm pressing this run without debug and we are getting the output here hello. Okay, so what kind of program you expect from me to do right here today? Tell me if you have any request.
মানে এতদিনে যেগুলো কভার হয়েছিল সেগুলোর উপরে মানে
Exactly.
মডারেট লেভেলের।
Hmm. Our program, today's program will be programs from up to loop iteration. Iteration. তোমরা কি কোনো প্রোগ্রাম করেছো নিজেরা ওয়ান আর টু বাড়িতে? So if you have problems then you can tell me, otherwise I will do some from my end.
so string palindromটা করবি।
Okay, one request is for string palindrome. String palindrome. Another anything else?
হ্যাঁ দাদা বলছি টেম্পারেচারটা দিয়ে ওটা ওটা আমি বুঝতে পারিনি, ওটাই খুঁজছিলাম।
Temperature conversion.
হ্যাঁ টেম্পারেচার কনভার্সন দিয়ে তুমি যেটা দিয়েছিলে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে, ওটা আমি বুঝতে পারিনি, মানে জিনিসটাকে কম্পেয়ার করবো কিভাবে।
Okay, temperature conversion. Temperature conversion, what was the question over there? Can anyone read temperature conversion?
Input the temperature of city Kolkata in degree Celsius and of city Bangalore in degree Fahrenheit.
Okay,
Compare
so
the temperature.
temperature, 1 minute, temperature for Kolkata in degree Celsius.
এক মিনিট। হ্যাঁ,
Degree Celsius. and
and
temperature for
of city Bangalore
Bengaluru
in degree Fahrenheit.
degree Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Okay, now
Compare the temperatures of the two cities
hmm,
and print which city is hotter than which one.
okay, fine. So first we do it. Okay, a very simple program. So see the temperature for Kolkata will be taken input from user in degree Celsius and it will be in degree Fahrenheit. So you cannot compare between these two, na? So you have to bring in a single unit. Okay. So what is our formula? The temperature conversion C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So from here, you have to convert only a single one. So suppose you are converting the Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what will be your C? C will be your F minus 32 divided by 9 and multiplied by 5. Okay. So here you will use this formula to convert the temperature of Bangalore in from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, then you will compare the two temperature. Okay, let's do this program out. So I'm creating a file here. Say temp compare.py is our file name. So first what we will do, we will take input. Okay, say temp poll is equal to, we're taking input and we are taking input in integer for simplicity. Say int input enter temperature of Kolkata, right? Now you are taking another, say temp Bengaluru, we are taking the variable name as temp ben, then int input enter temperature of Bengaluru. Okay, fine. So two inputs are now collected. There is a spelling mistake. Okay, temperature, enter temperature of Kolkata. It will be of degree centigrade, na? Degree Celsius. It will be of degree Fahrenheit. Now you have to convert the temperature temp ben to respective Celsius format. So how to do that? Just apply the formula. C is equal to F minus 32 by 9 into 5. Okay. So your formula C is equal to F minus 32. So it will be inside the bracket and you can put another bracket by 9 and then multiplied by 5. So this is your formula, na? Now here, what is F? Tell me, anyone. What is F and what is C? Hmm?
Fahrenheit centigrade.
Yeah, sure. But here we have, what do we have to do? We have to convert this temperature, means temperature of Bengaluru, which was taken in Fahrenheit, we have to convert it into Celsius. So we have
F
to
এর জায়গায়
replace
F এর
this
জায়গায় temp
F with this one, na? Understand? And we are assigning the value again back into Temben. Got it? Tell me. If it is okay, then we can proceed. We always
হ্যাঁ
can
হ্যাঁ
print the value here. Say print say temperature of, or I can say like that, cold temperature equal to say temp cold comma bang temperature equal to right. Now give the degree centigrade and this will be your degree Fahrenheit. And if you print the same statement just after the conversion, so what you will get? Just let we first run this thing out. Okay, so run. See here it is asking the temperature in degree Celsius. So what will be the temperature in degree Celsius? What can I give? Say maybe 35. And the Bengaluru. So what we can give? Say 100 degree Fahrenheit. See here, 100 degree Fahrenheit is uh, see here 100 degree Kolkata temperature. This print statement is before conversion, na? You understand? Just reply. This printing is before conversion, and this is after conversion. So after conversion, we should convert this F to C because the temperature has already been converted. Now
হুম হুম
we run it again so that you can get the proper message. Okay. So give it say 35. The temperature in Kolkata is 35 degree Celsius and Fahrenheit for 100. See here, this print is before conversion and this is after conversion. After conversion, you are getting this value, degree centigrade.
হুম
Okay.
হুম
Now tell me what we will do next. Tell me. I am not going to write the program for means I will take help from you to develop the program.
কম্পেয়ার করতে বলেছে তো এবার ইফ কন্ডিশন বসাবো না ইফ টেম্প কলকাতা গ্রেটার দ্যান টেম্প বেঙ্গালুরু দেন প্রিন্ট কলকাতা ইজ হটার সিটি এলস ইট ইজ বেঙ্গালুরু ইজ হটার সিটি এরকম ভাবে
Mm, huh. But before that, anyone? Other? Bolo bolo. See here, the two variables now differ. Na? This goes integer and this goes to float or double. So why we are taking these things? We should convert means we can round it out. Okay, we can round them out. And how to round the number? We can use round function. And take a look once again. Say here it is 35 and 100. So here you are getting the conversion. Okay, so it is rounded up to next integer. Na? 37.77778 is equivalent to 38. Okay, so here rounding out. Now one more thing you can do with this, not one more thing, rather using the round function. What else we can do? Can anyone guess? we can put a integer division symbol here. Okay, see here what will happen. So just comment it out for the time being. Okay, next we are running the program. So assign 35 and 100 for this. See here, integer division. uh, See, this output is you are getting by doing the integer division. See, much different value na. Being temperature was rounded when it was rounded out, it was giving 38. Now it is giving 35. So 3 degree of difference. Why it is showing so? Can anyone guess? Hmm? Because here integer division is takes place between this one. After that, another thing is pending. That is the multiplication. Okay.
Oh,
So that factor is giving you this number. Okay. So it is always better to use round function at the end. Means you should perform all the calculations. Okay. After that, the final result need to be round off. Okay. So I am for reference purpose, I am just keeping this value here so that you can remember. Okay. Okay. Now you have to check, you have to compare. To compare, what we will do, we will use if. By using if statement, so we are checking if temp call or temp bang is greater than temp call, then we are going to print Bengaluru is hotter than Kolkata. Else, okay, see, if I write else and then I am printing the reverse one, that Kolkata is hotter than Bengaluru, then one exception may be happen here. That is when the temperature both of the temperature are equal. Then what will happen? Tell me. If the temperature of Bengaluru and Kolkata both are equal, then what will happen? Even then, it will print Kolkata is hotter than Bengaluru because we have just checked whether it is greater than. Okay, we are not considering the equal uh, when the temperature are going to be equal. So what we can do here, we can use the elif, means elif temp call is greater than temp bang, then we can say okay, Kolkata is hotter than Bengaluru. Then you have the option to put the else part and say both are equal, both Kolkata and Bengaluru has same temperature, right? This will complete our program. Take a look the whole program. Ask me if anything to ask.
না ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে।
Okay, fine. Save it and run it. So I'm giving say 35, then Bengaluru 100. So it is Bengaluru is hotter than Kolkata. Okay. Now doing the reverse one. Say Kolkata is 40 and it is 100 degree. So Kolkata is hotter than Bengaluru, right? Now again you have to test for the else part. So I am giving Kolkata as 38 because we know that after round up For Bengaluru, if we put 100 over there, it will become 38. So both Kolkata and Bengaluru has same temperature. So all the three sides of this if has been checked. Okay, and this is your program temperature. Tell me if it is clear to everyone or not. Okay, quickly.
ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে এটা।
Okay, fine. Now do one thing for me. Okay, convert this program in such a way. This is an assignment to you. You have to do it right now. I will give you say 5 to 7 minutes for that. I hope you all are ready with your compiler or rather the IDE computer. Convert this program in such a way that this temperature conversion is not confined means for one time. Okay, means the situation will be like that. When you run the program, it will ask this one, this temperature. Okay, so it will compare. After that, at the end, it will ask me whether to continue this comparison once again. Okay, if you want to continue, then you have to press something like yes or no or 1 2 0, whatever you like. Okay, if you press yes or if you enter yes y or 1, anything you like as a choice. Okay, so it will again continue, the program will again continue. See here, to check the different temperature I have to run the program multiple times now. So I want to modify this program in such a way that it will ask me, means I can check this, the temperature between these two cities for multiple times, as many times as I want. And when I do not want to continue the comparison, then I will enter some key, maybe say 0 or no or n, something like that, and the program will be terminated, exited. Okay, tell me if everyone is getting the concept. Okay, tell me please quickly.
মানে বলছো যদি যদি ধরো ইয়েস ইয়েস টাইপ করি বা ওয়াই লিখি,
Hmm.
সেক্ষেত্রে আবার আমাকে ইনপুট দিতে বলবে দুটো টেম্পারেচার, আবার
Exactly.
কন্ডিশন লাগিয়ে প্রোগ্রামটা চলবে।
Yes, yes, yes.
আচ্ছা, আর আর প্রতিটা প্রোগ্রামের শেষে আবার লিখবে ডু ইউ লাইক টু কন্টিনিউ অর নট, মানে
Yeah,
এরকম তো আবার ইয়েস।
and it will
বুঝতে
go
পেরেছি।
on infinitely. Okay.
হুম।
Okay, just do it. I am pausing the recording right now and giving you 5 minutes to. Okay, let's complete the program. What we told to make this uh, for multiple times. So, how can we modify this? We have to put the whole thing under a loop. Okay, which loop? An infinite loop. How to create an infinite loop? While true, infinite loop. The whole thing you give an indentation. Okay, so while true, it will do all the stuff. At the end, coming here, so it will ask, okay, so choice. I'm taking another variable, choice equal to, say I am giving options like that, input, enter y to continue, say in to exit. That's all. So user will give y if he wish to continue the um, next comparison. Okay, otherwise he will put n. So we are checking if your choice is equal to n. We will check for n. If so, then we will break the loop. Okay. We are not checking about y, because anything else then n will make the next iteration, means it will continue. Okay, so when user do not want to continue, he will enter n, and eventually we will break from the loop. That's all. This is the end of your program. This much you have to do. Okay, anyway, save it and just run it. See here, temperature conversion. It is asking, I'm giving 35, 100. So it is giving me this statement. Okay, Bengaluru is hotter than Kolkata. Next, it is asking whether I want to continue. Yes, I want to continue. Then again, it is asking Kolkata, say 40 degree Fahrenheit, 100. So again, it is giving the result. Now I want to continue again. So some random number, like that. Okay, so it will continue forever. This is an infinite loop until and unless you press n. So press n, it goes down. Tell me, you understand? This much
Yes,
you
sir.
have to do. It was a very simple task. Okay, fine. Quickly move on to our next program, which is your palindrome. Now you will find something crazy. Palindrome.py. Tell me the logic, because I know that this logic is very much simple. Means it is very much common, not simple, obviously simple task, but it is also common. Okay, many times you did it in other programming languages like C, Java. Now what is the logic? How to check whether a string is palindrome or not? Can anyone give me an example of palindromic string? What exactly
One to
palindrome
one.
is?
Oh, no.
Tell me.
The map. M-A-A-M.
M-A-A-M, madam. Can I say
Map.
madam?
On.
M-A-D-A-M, madam. Okay. Malayalam means the string is equal to its reverse. Okay, if the string is equal to its reverse string, then the string is called a palindromic string. Okay, we have to check it. Okay, we have to take an input, a string from user, and we have to check whether the reverse string is equal to the string, so that we can declare that the string is a palindrome. How can we do it? Obviously, in Python, there are many ways how you can do it. I will show it to you. But before that, conventionally or logically in C, C++, Java, in other programming language, how we did that thing. Tell me, what is the basic logic behind it? How to do it? First, you have to reverse a string. Na? See here, M-A-D-A-M. What you can do, first construct a string from this, that is called reverse string, reverse, and then check this string with the reverse string. Okay, this way you can do that, the check the task. And another way, see here, M-A-D-A-M. So you can guess the index of these characters is like that: 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can start a loop by putting two indexes in these two position. Okay. Say I is for here and put j is there. Okay. What you will do, you check these two numbers, these two characters, ith character and jth character. Okay. If they matches, then increment I one step here, decrement j one step here. Again, you check these two numbers. If they match, then you do the same process repeatedly until and unless I becomes equal to j. Okay. Now, if you get I becomes equal to j, then you can understand that every character encountered so far until I is equal to j, every character encountered are equal. That means the string is a palindrome. Okay. So these are the two ways you can proceed uh, in some other programming languages. We did that kind of thing. Okay. But obviously in Python, we have some other process too. But we would like to implement this process first. Okay. So let's do it. Quickly take an input. Str is equal to input, enter a string. Uh, Now what I have to do, how can we get the uh, number of characters present inside a string? Can anyone tell me? How can you find the length of a string? That means the number of characters present inside a string. How can you get that thing? Because see, you have to take two variables. I you have to put here in 0th position, and the other variable j you have to put at the end. Okay. Nobody. Okay. So I is equal to 0 and j is equal to, say, len. Len is the method, say str. Okay. You remember len. Okay. Let's print I and j. Let's print I and print j. Okay. Test two values. Save and then run. Say take MADAM, madam. Say I is your 0 and M is your, J is your 5. Now what is 5? Say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the total number of character present is 5. Huh? So len is your 5. So what you will do? Now write the code. While I is less than j. While I is less than j, then you are checking if str of I is not equal to str of j. Means the two characters you are checking are not equal, then you are putting a break. Okay, you are putting a break. Why I am doing this thing? Tell me. Now coming here, coming outside the loop, you are checking if I is equal to j. Then you can decide print help The str is a palindrome, else print str is not a palindrome. First run it. Let's check whether it contains any bug or error. See here I am giving MADAM. Sorry, MADAM, madam. So it is raising some problem. Index, oh sorry, index out of range. I have assigned j is equal to str length. So it will be -1 na, because 5 is the length, but your last character is present at fourth location na. Say MADAM, madam. Oh, one more thing we did not do here. I equal to I plus equal to 1, j minus equal to 1 na. You have to increment the I and you have to decrement the j. Save it and then run it. Okay, stop the current run and then again run it. Now here MADAM, it will be fine now. Madam is a palindrome. Samjhe? Right? Next we run for some other character, other string, say INDIA. India is not a palindrome. Fine. Now you tell me whether you have understand the program or not. Is it okay? This you can say is a conventional way how you can check a string whether it is a palindrome or not. We did this type of thing in our other programming language like Java or C. Is it okay? Here we are not reversing the string. Okay, we are not constructing the reverse string. Okay, here we are just assigning two indexes, putting one in the front and one in the back, and we are moving the indexes to each other and checking the respective characters. Okay, now why I is equal to j we are checking here, because see here this condition will, this condition, since I is less than j, I starts from 0 and j is starting from non-zero positive. Okay, so I will only be equal to j. Okay, means this condition will only be false when I becomes equal to j. Okay, when I will becomes equal to j, if this loop will iterate for full time. Okay, so this is the program how you can do the palindrome checking. But in Python we have some other options too. Okay, let's do some other program. Palindrome 2.py. See here I am just copying this part, only take this part str. After that what we are doing, if, look what I am doing, str is equal to str -1 print str is a palindrome, else print str is not a palindrome. That's all. That's all you have to do. Let's run it first. See here, madam. Madam is a palindrome. You see? Next run. Say India. India is not a palindrome. See, in Python, there are many things that you can use to shorten your program, shorten your coding. Okay. So this thing is one of them. You are using here that subscript operator and the range. Okay. So what this mean actually? To demonstrate the thing, I am using the ideally. Ideally. Otherwise, I have to write programs for each one. See here. Say ace. So ace is equal to. Say I'm taking a string India. Okay. How many characters are there in India? 5 characters are there. So what is this? Uh, Tell me, if I write this one, then what will be the output? I have demonstrated this thing all out in your string class. Tell me. Hmm? This will give the whole string. Basically, start, end, and this is the step part. Okay. Now, is if you want to start from one character, means the characters are started here from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you want to start from one position and if you want to stop at 3 position, okay, then you can write like this. So it will give you the substring nd. It is starting from 1 and it will move to not 3. So if you write 3, it will move to 2. So 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So now if you write 4, then what will be the output? If you write say here 4, then what will be the output? In the I. Because if you write here 4, this is range basically. Okay, so this way, now see I am taking a long string. Say India is our country. Now if you supply, if you want to start from say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm starting from 4. I'm just showing you, and I want to continue. This is 4. Okay, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to come to here. Oh, 12. So I have to provide here 13. See here, we have not considered something. Say 4. Okay, 4. So this is 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. So this is your 13. Okay, so it will end up here. If you want to stop at C, so we have to give 14. To give 14 here. Okay. Okay. Now the next part. What is the step one? Say I am writing this is equal to, say I want to start from 1 and I want to move up to what? Up to say t. So if I want to move up to t, then what I will write here? Anyone count and please tell me. I want to stop just here, starting from n. I will start from n, and I want to get this thing as a substring. Then what I will write inside the subscript operator? Tell me, what will be the range? Speak out, someone.
Fif- 15.
From 1 to 15.
Huh.
No, it will not be 15. How it is 15? So 0, 1, 2,
Oh,
3,
14. 14.
4,
Huh.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 is here. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Space.
So if you give 19, so it 19 is, this is the 19th character. I want up to this character. So you have to provide 19. And I have to start from n. So I have to give 1. Okay. Just check it out. See here. Is it okay or not? I
Huh.
told you this one, na? So maybe we are not counting rightly. 1, 2, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See, we wrongly counted. This is 18. So you have to give 18. Since you want to stop before R. 18. Now it's okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we are giving a step. Step is 2. Then what will happen? It will do something like that. It will start from n and it will skip the next character and it will take this one. Skip again the next character. It is taking this one. So this is basically a skipping. Okay. So this is step. See how Python makes things so simple. Okay. This thing, if you want to do it in Java or in C, you have to write long code for that. So with the help of this operator, we can quickly reverse a string like that. So we know that if we do not give the first one, so it will automatically take it from 0. And if we also do not give the next one, so it will move to the last character. And if we go reverse, in reverse direction, so I have to put this -1. See here, the string got reversed. Got it?
Hmm.
Tell me. Okay. So this will give you a reverse string. Simple. So you are starting from 0. Okay. You are ending up to here, but you are moving in the negative direction. Means it will start from the last character and it will move to the 0. Okay. If you're still not understanding this, then what you can do, see here, just write this thing. Now give -1 here. So what it will do? What it will do? It will start from 18th character and it will move
1.
to 2 character. Means character at position 2. See why? Mm, 1 minute. See if I give 18. Yeah. See here. It will start from 18th character. Okay. It will move to character at second position in the reverse direction. Got it? So this is the start. Now I right here. This is the start, and this will end, and this is the step. So if you want to start from the reverse direction, you put 18 here. Means if you give -1, then Python comes to know that okay, you have to move in the reverse direction. Now from where it will start? It will start from 18 character. That's why it is getting the R, and from up to which character it need to move, just before the character it mentioned here. Okay, so it will move to second character. Okay, so we are just taking advantages of this thing. We want to start, if we do not mention here, so it will start from the very beginning. Okay, and it will move to the very fast in the reverse direction. We are getting the reverse string. Okay, hope you understand the thing. Quickly reply.
Clear
Yes,
আছে.
sir.
Okay, fine. Now with the help of this, I would like to do one and the last program. Say pattern.py. I'm taking a string. Say s is equal to. I'm taking the string straightforward here. Say Argentina. Now I want to print this string like this. A sorry A A R A R G A R G E A R G E N R G E N T. You remember, na? Somewhere in your school or college life, Argentina, 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 like that. You already read this program. If you can remember how many lines you have to write for that, then you can be strange while you writing the same code in Python. See here. So how can I write the thing? How many characters are there? Quickly count.
নটা।
9 characters are there. Okay. So I can use a for loop for I in range.
রেঞ্জ।
I have to generate the numbers. Okay. I in range, say is len s. Maybe I'm writing like that. Later we can always modify. Now we are printing the s. Tell me what I will write here. Just these two lines is enough to generate the code. Tell me, what should I write inside this? Means both side of this colon. If you do not understand, then guess. Okay. Tell me quickly. Okay, see here.
9.
We are always in each line. We are always starting from the first. Na? We are always starting from the zeroth character. So nothing you have to put here. You can put zero here, but if you do not put anything, it will always take from the first character. And we are going in the first line. In the first character means one character, second line two characters, third line three characters. So I is generating in that way. I will give you in this all
Or
the
I.
sequence in this range, na. So you have to put I here.
I.
Okay, just check, save, and run. See here, Argentine. A is not coming. Why? Because we give len s. Len s means what? 9. So range will generate all the numbers starting from 0 to that number. Okay, so what you can do, you can give this thing 0 to 1 to s plus 1. See here, one line is coming here, na, before a. Now check the output. Is it okay?
Hmm.
So these are the powers of Python. Okay, it makes things so means tiny. Okay, fine. Anyone, anything to ask? Otherwise, we will stop here. Fine, no problem.